Kia ora, I'm Mira. I'm part of the team that designed the Floating City prototype. This project helps students understand cities, structures, and systems working together instead of learning subjects in isolation. When they build the structure here, they learn about forces, balance, and center of gravity, key physics concepts, while applying spatial gravity around the design. Projects like the Floating City help facilitate teamwork between students, which is key to help them engage. When they're in a group setting, it's useful to be able to rely on each other and engage with each other when you're doing your learning. I think it's very beneficial to be able to make something that is quite a fun and artistic project, but also to engage with other students.
Students don't just talk about energy and lighting. They experiment with different materials to control how light transpass and flash over from surfaces. And later at motion and lightning, they can make the city glow and feel dynamic. Speaking of how to work hard, the first thing that comes up with my mind is to build a simple circuit. And during building this project, students can learn how physics like electricity work in the real life and make real impact.
Working with another student who's from a different background from me, so an engineering student, was very fun because it pushed me into a situation where I had to learn quite a bit and I had to come to understand where she was coming from, which I think is really good for building teamwork, understanding each other's different pros and cons, where they're really strong and where they might struggle, so that you're both able to find out what works best for you.
Hi, I'm Alice, and I'm the university student working on the Deep Sea Model project. What makes this project so special is that students, by building it, they learn how real-world systems work. For example, when they design the outer crystal, they have to use math concepts such as volume, surface area, and geometry to calculate how strong the structure needs to be. Students have to use concepts such as pressure and force to build a hydraulic arm using syringes to test how these work in real life. They also design lighting systems using basic circuits so that the whole set actually lights up. This project would be beneficial to students as it helps them understand art techniques such as sculpting, carving, and painting, while also integrating it with mathematical concepts, such as the ones used to assemble the hydraulic arm. By the end, students can clearly explain how their model works, why certain design choices were made, and what concepts they apply. It builds deep understanding, confidence, and communication skills. This project helps students see learning as meaningful and connected, and that's what makes them want to learn more.